Hey guys, Armattan Marmotte 4S. This is my first flight in like 3 weeks. Replaced the ESCs, added a signal ground lead because the original ones didn't have it, so I put one on with the new ESCs. Still got the new motors on here. I just did a quick little test flight. I noticed one little motor twitch, so I'm just going to have to live with it. I mean, I even pulled up a flight controller and looked at all the wires, make sure nothing was touching on anything, you know. Thought maybe I had a little ground out issue or something, but I'm tired of troubleshooting. Just fly it till the wheels fall off. There's some people here at the park, so I can't go crazy, but just fun to be out flying. Thanks, guys. It's alright. I think I felt it once. Definitely rusty. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll try to post a little more often. I know I've had a little off time lately with work and stuff, so I'll try to post more. But thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Talk to you soon.